So my big idea is to harness new technology, but to do it effectively and to understand what technology is out there today. It hasn't really been harnessed effectively. If we're honest, in this industry, in this function, it really hasn't been harnessed to the point where people are getting the value they really should be expecting. They have got value, and that has happened with procurement technology, but there needs to be a change of approach now. And I think with the move towards cognitive procurement and the technology involved in that, that is going to be the step change that the procurement function needs to grab with both hands. They haven't yet. And they think it's 10 years down the line, or they think it's 5 years down the line. That's not going to happen because it's here today. It's here today, and the reason it's here today is because it's not just in the procurement function. Okay, it's actually in every area of business. And if procurement don't grab it, they're going to soon be marginalized. Okay, because it's very straightforward. Technology has also been almost reactive. So it comes to you, you take it, it's already historic, it's out of date, you're grabbing it, and then you're making a decision based on it. So how about having some data in real time that you're having a massive impact on straight away? You're making a decision on real-time data that's happening now that you're then making a decision on which will either impact your business negatively or, more importantly, positively. That's the difference. That's the difference. And technology now, it's the first time, I think, that technology is actually in the driving seat, is actually pushing towards the function saying, come with me here. As opposed to the function saying, come on, technology, you've got to catch up here. I've been waiting so long. Come on, I need this. But now with this cognitive stuff, which is there, it's here. I want to emphasize the fact that this is here now. People can grab this stuff, do natural search language, and go, I need to understand what's happening with this supplier in this category, and then get the answer. And before they'd have to wait 6 weeks to get a report on that. It was already out of date by the time they got the data. But if you think about where the function is moving, the function needs to have data in real time to be relevant. If they're not relevant, they're of no use. Why have a procurement function? The procurement function itself, in terms of the buying side of this, is going to be totally automated. The buying side will be automated. It has to be. It's a transactional buying process, which can do step, 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 step. Technology can do that, and will do over the next 5 to 10 years. So where is procurement going to be focused on? Procurement is going to be focused on getting this data around suppliers proactively, doing something with it, protecting the brand, driving innovation with the supply base. Driving innovation with the supply base means they drive competitive advantage, means they drive revenue for the business. All of a sudden, they're very, very important. They're going to have a seat at the table because they've earned that seat at the table. And technology is going to be the driver towards that. So my big idea is have a look now at what's available. Think about how that's going to impact upon your career. Because if you don't do it now, somebody else is going to do it in another company. It's a really exciting time. Just open the eyes a little bit and think about what's out there. Because it's really, really, really interesting and will have a dramatic impact upon your profession.